Doritos. Ayan. Sige, lalagyan ko siya ng Doritos. To sorry away.
I might chop this in the mince. It's all up.
So that's the one, and I'm gonna put the noodles. It's not live, it's alright. We're gonna put the minced beef. Ayan. Buti na lang, hindi sobrang dami. So, ayan. Should I put the cheese in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. But it's sitting here. Sophie go, Sophie go. So I'm gonna put mozzarella cheese in it. And mali sa mga kamay ko, you know. Siyempre, bago tayo magkusinera, magkugus muna tayo ng kamay. So I put cheese. Ayan. 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 So, yan. Maganda na maraming cheese para masarap. And we put all it. The rest in here. Hindi na kasya to. Lalaki naman ang kamatis na. Oh. Ayan, so we're done. So ayan, then we're gonna put cheese again. Oh, here. We're gonna put Doritos on top again. Should cover it. More Doritos. I should make it layer, no? It's alright. Overload na to. Ayan. So, tapos na. Then, lalagyan naman natin siya ng cheese. More cheese. I-stick na yan. Masarap. Natatakam na ako. Sana hindi ito tumagos sa lalagyan ng cheese na to. So, ang gagawin natin yun dito guys, i-microwave natin siya, I think 30 minutes or 25, as long as the cheese gonna be melt, because if it's over then it's not really good. So we estimate the time. Okay, so alright, it's ready to go. It's ready to put it in the microwave now. I oven, not in the microwave. I'm sorry. Oven. We're gonna put it in the oven. So yeah, we just. Ayan, sobrang dami yung cheese na yun. So ayan. And my partner is prepared. He prepared. Wait, mali no. He prepared avocado here. The one. He mashed it. And we had sour cream here. So this is our sauce toppings. Alright, let's go. We're gonna put it in the oven. Ayan na siya guys. So I'm gonna put it now. I should put it. So here I put it down. There you go. One. Close it, and it says 9 minutes, but we have a look and check. All right, let's go. Bye bye.